Yes guys, finally my Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium grey is finally here. I've just got it delivered this morning and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. Let's go! Oh my god, finally it's arrived. Let's start unboxing this thing. Lift it up and this is it. This is it, the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium grey. We'll move on to this from one side for now. Let's see what else we get in the box. Let's go. As usual, we get the manual, a USB-C to USB-C for charging. We even get a SIM ejector tool. This is the device. Let's take the tab off. Ready? And oh my god, satisfying. This is it guys. Power it on. Yo, look at this guys. Damn. Now this is what I like guys. I do like the transition whenever the screens turn on. That is wicked. I'm going to set this up and then be with you guys later. Alright guys, so it did take me a while to set this phone, but I'm honestly going to be very proud about the back glass. It's Gorilla Glass armor from the back and the front. Oops. One of my favorite things I do like about this phone is that there's no edges. It's all flat display. This is really nice. You also have the new camera layout. So this is the exact same 12 megapixel on the ultra wide, 200 megapixel on the main camera, 50 megapixel on the telephoto, actually this is the periscope, and 10 megapixel with 3 times optical zoom on the 10 megapixel camera, which is the telephoto. Honestly, I quite like this phone to be fair. I do like the display and the design. It's really nice even on my hand too. I am going to be posting more videos to do with this phone, so do stay tuned on my YouTube and YouTube Shorts, as well as my TikTok page if you haven't followed me already. I'll put my name in the description and somewhere in the screen. That is it guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!